guys, welcome back to NS Vlog. So it's Abhishek here with you and Swagata is here. So before starting this vlog, let me ask you, have you subscribed to our channel? There's a simple subscribe option available just down the video, and then there's a bell beside it which you can hit and you can get notified as well.
The pain.
दोस्तों, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि हम ग्लोबल विलेज में फिर से क्या कर रहे हैं, तो हम एक वेरी स्पेशल इवेंट अटेंड करने आए हैं. हमारी फेवरेट सिंगर और आप सबकी फेवरेट सिंगर आई एम श्योर श्रेया घोषाल का लाइव परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है इधर. और ग्लोबल विलेज इज सच अ fascinating thing that it comes up with all such events every now and then, and it never fails to attract such tourists, isn't it?
Yes.
What about your opinion about Shreya Ghoshal? Is it your favorite singer?
Of course, she is my favorite singer and she is a sensational diva of Bollywood.
Yeah, and guys, without it seeing any further time, let us head on to the place where the event is going to happen right now. In fact, in a short while, still 15 minutes are to go, but then we have to find out a convenient position so that we can capture her very properly and try to see her as close as possible, because this is like not so frequently such opportunities come, isn't it? My favorite singer, her favorite singer, and favorite singer of most of you guys will be performing live, so we can't miss this show. So guys, before heading to the place, I would just like to show you a global village that we have captured in detail in our previous vlog. So we are not exactly going to capture entire global village right now in this vlog, because this vlog will be dedicated to Shreya Ghoshal. Without wasting any further time, we are going to go to the place.
Let's go!
UAE's #1 Bollywood radio station, City 1016.
साजन आयो तोरे देश बदली बदला बदला सावण बदला जगने भेस रे तोरा साजन आयो तोरे देश. सोई सोई पलकों पे चल के मेरे सपनों की खिड़की पे आ गया, आते जाते फिर मेरे दिल के इन हाथ में वो खत पकड़ा गया प्यार का. लफ्जों में रंग है प्यार का. बहारा बहारा हुआ दिल पहली बार में. बहारा बहारा के चैन तो हुआ करार में. बहारा बहारा हुआ दिल पहली बार में. Brilliant. This is why I love you so much. And मेरा दिल हमेशा चाहता है कि दुबई आती जाऊँ और ये जब ऑडियंस मिल जाए, और क्या चाहिए एक आर्टिस्ट को. Thank you for the love and thank you for all coming here. I have this very beautiful song. आज की शाम ऐसा कोई गाना नहीं है जो आपने सोचा है और वो होगा नहीं, ऐसा आप बिल्कुल सोचना मत. All the songs that you thought that are going to happen are happening. I hope you're all ready for that. जिस तरह से तेरी नजरें मुझे, मैं खुद को छुपाऊंगा. जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ, तुझको भुला के कब जाऊंगा. Wonderful. मेरा प्राइड एंड मुझे कभी ये एहसास नहीं हुआ कि एक दिन मैं उनके साथ गाऊंगी, उनके साथ काम करूंगी. I have always heard his music and one day I was in the studio with him. We have some beautiful songs जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मैंने उनके लिए गाए हैं. उसकी एक झलकी आपको देती हूँ. जो भी मांग रहे हो वो होगा, डोंट वरी. Alright, this is the song that I feel. अच्छा एक बात बताइए, यहाँ पे जो ऑडियंस में सब हैं, do you believe in love? क्या तुमने कभी प्यार किया है? क्या कभी किसी को दिल दिया है? Beautiful. अगर दिया है तो जरा भुगता भी होगा, है कि नहीं? के लोग तो आए हैं, पर इतना प्यार, इतनी आशिकी। चलिए हो जाए। आपकी मेरी, तेरी मेरी, ये जो लव स्टोरी है, ये दो लफ्जों में बयां नहीं हो सकती है। दुबई, I truly love you for everything that you've done and given us. There's this song to you, and I want Dubai, everyone has to sing. Tell me, are you gonna sing with me on this? Thank you so much, Dubai. Thank you so much, Global Village. And I hope the wait is not that long again to meet you and sing for you. Till then, take care. I love you so much. Take care. Good night.
Hey guys, so we're just done with the show. How was it? It was rocking, isn't it? Swagata, did you like it?
Amazing.
It was
Really
amazing, guys, and even crowd was insane. So guys, don't forget to smash that like button for Shreya Ghoshal, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do subscribe to NS Vlogs.
Yeah.
So guys, stay happy, stay blessed, and enjoy your life.
So don't forget to check out our travel vlogs, food vlogs on NS Vlogs. So stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.
So goodbye for now, and see you in the next vlog.